Hi guys, welcome to Trading Paints. Here we are doing a back testing off of my phone. And it's very possible. As long as you have TradingView, the back testing feature is pretty nifty. So right now, today we are testing out the highs and low intraday model. Pretty much, essentially, that means on the daily time frame, we look for a previous high or low that got swept, which it did right here. Oh my gosh, there we go. So now we're looking for, and it also swept the bottoms. Okay, it swept the bottom. Fantastic. So, but now this is the next one. Down to the 4 hour. So swept the highs, swept the lows. The market feels very bullish. So we look on the 15. Is swept the New York session high. It did not take out Asia or London lows. So I do want to take shorts, but everything do feel very bullish. So if you consider shorts, I want to see it close below this 15-minute fair value gap, making an inversion. So let's see what it does. Boom. Okay, so it tapped into this 1 hour FEG. Let's change this down to 5 minutes, so it's not so fast. Right now, 10 o'clock. Okay, looks like it closed underneath there. And coming back up. Alright, cool. It feels pretty short. Let's do 2. Oh my gosh, 2. And then we sell. The amount's going to be quite large, but that's okay. We're looking for the success of the strategy, not for profits. And then we're talking for Asia low. Let's got a position tool in there so we can see visually how well this works out. Oh yeah, and then market structure shift. I would say this looks like a market structure shift to me. Boom. Which I can mark out. Bottom. Yeah. Alright, let's see how this plays out. Slowly. Oh, heck yeah. Alright, that worked out good. Nice. Next day trade. So let's take a look at so this is 710. October 7th. So October 7, October 8. Again, we're going to start at 9 o'clock. Next day. So we look on the daily for our buyers, and it looks like it went up. It swept out that high, and then it swept out that low. So this is the previous day low, new target. I don't think it's going to go down. It might continue up. So we're going to look for a continuation up. There's the 4 hour. One hour. Very bullish. Right there. So now I'd like for it to see it respects back down to the 15-minute or even the 1 hour breakup block or order block. I think this is called an order block. Yeah, order block. Okay. So now 15 minutes. Okay. It took out Asia low and London high. So I think we can make it all the way up there. I would like to see it come back down here where we could set all orders right there. Okay, so Let's move this down to a 1 minute. Of course, it might not just come back down at all. There's a 15-minute bag right there. With the bag, I think it means it's not going to come back past that, so I think that'd be a good part right there. Let's just go ahead and buy 2. We'll put the stop loss originally where it was. There. And then let's see how it plays out. So it does go back into it, huh? And there's 1 hour FEG. And should hit it. Boom. Alright. Another successful trade. Okay, let's try one more day. Let's try, we were October 7th, October 9th. For 9 o'clock. Okay. Let's take a look at the daily. Alright, so we're definitely consolidating. It did take out this previous day high. So we might be able to look at this previous day low as a target. This is a doji. On the 4 hour, it made a IFJ inverse fair value gap on the 4 hour, so that tells me that's bearish. May have to double check back in because that 4 hour candle is not yet completed. So it just took out London lows, London highs. It feels very bullish from this regard. So 9:30 just opened, so now it's 9:45. It's a doji candle. I think there are signs for reversal. And it went down. Okay. From here, I do see we have a order block. From here to here. Okay. It did sweep liquidity, which is the New York PM lows. I want to see it do a fair value gap inversion in a 15-minute CSID, which is market structure shift as well. So let's wait till that gives us a better entry. Okay. Still going down, huh? Alright, so this looks a little better. We got an ES though on 30 minutes. A little tricky, but I think this is a good one to enter for longs. Stop loss below here. Targeting Asia highs. Even London highs would be good as well. But for now, since it's back testing. Okay. Right now at this point it's 11:45, so we've been sitting at the charts for a while. Let's speed it up, yeah. Oh no. Accumulation took us out. Damn. Alright. We need to tap into that 4 hour. Okay, let's see what else. Yeah. No, that's not a good trade. So it was bearish. Yeah, bearish. The next day was positive. So, oh, gosh. Okay, well, kind of good for now. Hey, good night, guys.